So hello everybody, it's me Hustler's Code again, and today we're going to continue to work on our homepage. So let's get started to it. So basically I added a button, and when you click on the button there should be run a JavaScript code named scroll to bottom. Now I will show you what scroll to bottom does. So basically we have a const document height, and we get that by document element dot scroll height. This just gets the entire height of the document. So scroll scroll to bottom does the following: window dot scroll to, this is just a function you can use in JavaScript. Top document height, so the top of our page should have the document height, and like if we are going to scroll down, then the behavior is smooth. This is basically the whole thing what our scroll to bottom function does. Alright, so then let's continue to design our code. So I will run a HTTP server and look at my code in my website right now, but you can't see that unfortunately. So alright, we are going to work on our SN HTML basically. So I'm going to copy the navbar because we are going to use it everywhere, therefore, like in every HTML page. Therefore I control that, I copy that, and I also copy the scroll to bottom button. So as you can see, before we had like these how's it called, we had like these items, and we are basically now, we want to make them like in a container, and the customer who's visiting the web page, they should be able to like buy the thing they choose. So how am I going to do that? So first of all, I'm going to make an div called container essen. This is in German. It means like it's basically food, or how's it called, like dishes, meals, basically that. All right. Now, as I have the container right now, I want to make a paragraph, and I just write like row 10 for each of these. Again, remember my trick with the Alt Shift and the Alt Shift. Just remember my trick, and to put it down you just hold Alt and then the button you want to move it basically. So we have text for all of them right now, and this is just like nonsense lorem. This is just like some filler text in it because I just want to see the structure basically. So as I continue to go to this page, I need to reset my HTTP so the code shows me everything. So basically now it's also very ugly because we don't have any CSS, so this is just a skeleton of it. And now we are going to work with our CSS. So first of all, I make a rel called style sheet, and the href of it is project 1 CSS, and I'm going to take style sheet 1 because like it's almost the same thing, And now if I also like close this, so now is it closed? Now it should be able to show me the navbar in the correct color and also the heading. But I think I must, yeah, I think I must reset the HTTP server. And maybe now? No, still it didn't show me it. Then I must look what the problem is. So yeah, I know what the problem is. We need to, I don't know why the reason is, but we just need to make the project one away and just leave it like this in the href. And now it should be right. Now, all right, the text now has the CSS from the first page. This is good, but we are going to make, I would say I just copy all of it and make a new CSS for like dishes, etc. And now I put it in the same thing and I just put it there. Oh, I made HTML. Give me 1 second. Rename. Just go to it. Rename. CSS, not HTML. Yeah, this is a newbie failure, newbie error, but I made it, and now we are going to add the container Essen we made before. So I close this and right, I just need to change the name though. And now it should be the same. But we are going to make a container right now. So first of all, I want to be the width 600 pixel. I want a background color. Yeah, a background color of this kind of white tone. And the color of text should be hashtag 333, like this gray tone basically. Alright, I'm going to look it up right now. And now I made some error in it. What is the error? What is the error? I forgot a S. And now it should be the same. Yeah, it's the same. And now the container has the color of this and like the background color of this, and the color is like this. So now we are going to access the P, like the paragraph in our text, and I want that to be like this, not the same, to have like a little difference in it, so it looks better. And I'm going to make it like the exact other way around. I make it there white, and this is going, no, I don't want the background color. But now our paragraph isn't showing up because the background color of it is also white, so I make it like obvious it's going to be red. So now the text is showing up in the red color. All right. Now this is just a paragraph thing, but I'm not really like, it's not that important therefore. So I'm going to make an ID for this kind of fixture and call it Döner box. And now I will access that ID, and now I will align the item in the center align items center, so the picture is in the center, and I made an error here. Now it should be okay. Yeah, it's okay. And yeah, I make a border in it. Border, not another border. This kind of color, solid, and 1 pixel. Now I'm going to look it up. And alright. So this was that much for our video today. I hope you learned something new with the container and how to access individual items in it. And until next time.